Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor X5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first you have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And as you can see, we have access here to these options more advanced of the camera. And one of this is the brand watermark button, so by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off the camera watermark at this device. Also the yellow color suggests that this is turned on, so let me stay on this and show you how it looks like on the real picture. So let me take a photo. And now let's go to the left corner here to the preview. And this is the picture in the gallery. As you can see here in the left corner at the bottom we have the ULEFONE watermark, so this is how it looks like. And of course when we don't want it or don't need it, we have to go to this camera preview, go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on this again to turn it off, and for now this is not visible at any picture. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.